If y'all ever have, y'all have a 2098, whatever, Plymouth Voyager, SC, Grand Voyager, or whatever, and one day you come out and try to open your hatch, and it won't open with the handle or the key. Here's what you do: you tear all this off, you tear the back off, right? Be mindful of the clips because they are plastic and the body panel's plastic. And there's some screws hidden in real ridiculous places. Thank you, Dynamite Chrysler. But it's this bar right here, the linkage to the handle. See that? It's usually it has slipped to where it no longer pulling up on this arm right here. That's the arm for the latch. That's the actual latch right there, but there's too much tar to show you all that. This stuff is dirty and gross. There's the relay. There's the power relay. That's what the other arm goes to. There's a pivot there on the same armature in the handle. But that's the lock. When you unlock the doors, that's what that is. Okay. So, there is locked. There is unlocked. You reset that to the highest you can get it on that adapter, on that coupler thing right there. You close the door and you open the door. Done. 10 minutes. Now put it all together and be happy. I call that done.